Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I am taking you back again into the treatment room with me, this time to do a post-chemical peel microderm facial. If you have not watched my previous video of my chemical peel demo on this lovely young lady that you are seeing right now on camera, I suggest you go and watch it. Getting a post microdermabrasion facial done anywhere between 8 to 14 days after your chemical peel is something that I highly recommend.
Of course, I'm not using steam, you guys. Oh, what happened there? It went whoop, straight. Remember, you're moving downward on the sides. Okay. Oh, I can feel the skin on the side.
To get the skin off my face.
Yes, that's the reason for this, is to help continue to get the rest of the flakiness off her face. You guys, I try to be careful, especially on her piercings.
As you just heard me mention, she did have a lot of leftover dead skin just hanging on her cheeks on both sides. So I am manipulating that area a lot using the palm of my hands. I'm really taking my time and working this cleanser very well throughout her face. I'm using the Gentle Facial Wash. You guys know that's a staple favorite of mine, and I am really going thoroughly and giving her a really nice deep cleanse. As you guys can see, I am really taking my time with this. This is going to help all of that dead skin slough off, and you will notice how it's just coming off as I start to use my sponges and towels. You will start to see it all come off. Here I am drying her face before we start the actual microderm. Of course, I am testing the suction in the inner part of my wrist. We are then going to start on her forehead, again doing a basket weaving pattern and working ourselves throughout her face. Here we go. Always be sure to ask for your client's comfort level. This should not cause any kind of pain to your client, so always be sure to ask to make sure that they are comfortable throughout the treatment.
On her cheeks, we're going from here up, like this, okay, and then down, like that, okay?
I am speeding through a lot of this, so if you see it moving extremely fast, just know that it is kind of like at an extra speed. As you guys can see, it is very noticeable, all the extra dead skin that is still left on her cheeks. All the redness is completely okay. Remember that this is a vacuum suction machine with a diamond tip, so it is bringing circulation, all that blood up to the surface of the skin, so the redness is completely okay. She was not experiencing any kind of pain on her skin. Clearly, she's all smiles. So we are all done with the Microderm. Next up is a facial massage. So let's talk about benefits of a massage. We know that it helps relax the facial muscle, stimulates blood and lymph circulation, activates sluggish skin, helps with muscle tone, reduces puffiness, helps with product absorption, relieves muscle tension and pain, and helps cleanse the skin of impurities and soften sebum. In this case, massaging her face is really going to also help get rid of all that dead skin that is just hanging on her cheeks. So I'm going to give her a very thorough massage, and I am using grapeseed oil. You guys, it was very important for me to keep all this massaging content in this video. I know a lot of you guys out there may struggle with giving a face massage, and this is a great demo of how to go about doing one. So it just requires a lot of practice and sticking to massages that will definitely benefit your clients, and soon you will become more comfortable. That would be my advice to you. Here I'm using a nice warm towel to help me remove any excess oil that may be left on her face. You can definitely see a big difference on how much brighter and glowy her skin is looking. Next up is the Glymed Plus Skin Bliss Hydrating Mask. This mask contains hyaluronic acid, which is going to help us lock in moisture, which she definitely needs it. It is full with fulvic acid, which is a powerful antioxidant, and it's going to help the skin look more plump and hydrated. I absolutely love this mask, and not just that, the color is absolutely beautiful. It's definitely giving me mermaid vibes. If your skin is dehydrated or more dry, is lacking any kind of luster, you definitely want to give this mask a try. While the mask is sitting, I am going to perform a décolleté massage. You guys, if you're an esthetician out there, treat your clients to a décolleté or an arm and head massage while the mask is sitting. Trust me, your clients will definitely keep coming back. This is something that I always tell my students that clients do not expect, but it is definitely a nice treat. So that is what I'm doing here. Here I am following up the décolleté massage by applying a warm towel to remove any excess oil. After removing our mask using sponges, we are following up using our last and final warm towel. Next, I am using the Professional CBD B3 Facial Mist. I love this product. It helps soothe irritation, reduce the appearance of redness, and helps overall with skin tone. It is one of my favorites. You guys, I know I am so annoying because I keep saying that all of these products are my favorite, but that's because they really are. This is the Derma Pigment Skin Brightener. It's going to help fade sunspots, pigmentation, age spots, and just know that it does not contain hydroquinone, so it is safe for all skin types. We are not done just yet. We are now going to apply the Diamond Bright Skin Lightener. I highly recommend the Diamond Bright Skin Lightener. It is amazing, especially if you suffer from pigmentation like myself. It is a product that you would want to use twice a day, morning and evening, even under your makeup if you're the type that wears makeup. So I highly recommend it. So I am applying this all over her face. And lastly, we are going to follow it by using, of course, the use of SPF. She had a chemical peel done. She now had a post-peel microdermabrasion facial, and she cannot go out into the environment with a freshly exfoliated face without the use of sun protection. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you to our model, who is actually one of my esthetician students, that on this very day this video was recorded. It was her official last day of school. Congratulations, you have graduated aesthetic school. I wish you nothing but the best. I'm happy we were able to record this. Now you have it as a memory. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to share, like, and please consider subscribing. Let me know in the comments down below if you enjoy this type of content. As always, don't forget to keep going, keep growing, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.